Abatuura omukyaro kya Kyamurimi, Kasonjo, Rwembaba na Rwenshorera omugomborara ya Kinjaji ahagati mu district ya Kakumiro nibagira ngu okureba amaizi amayonjo n'embabazi za Mukama. Abantu bashobora ngu amaizi ago barikukozesa omu mbeera za buriijo nibagataha omu bisharara
gatari kurungi kandi nawe kogarura mu meso gawe uri kugarura kuganywa no kugama ngo toyina mezi kubera enanka yakuno hano Nyabarogo twineye nanka yibakozire kutaha amezi konka bakakirima bakiteka hasi
ke amizago kori kugojesa na munonga engoyi zitu za white zirugayo stari nunji kari janefuka kandi nakori kugateka muro kwenda kuganywa gabagayero.
Hati abajungu Kuruga muri Amerika bakwatanise n'ekanisa ya Lutheran Church of Uganda bakozere project ya amaizi ga solar n'ekigendererwa cyo kubakorera za tapu.
Twasangaga amaizi agakurukuta aga abantu bakusamba mboko banotaha nosamba mu kandi borasamba mu kubini gatabuka na imuke bichafu.
We know there's 20,000 villages throughout Uganda, and we can do community centers like this that are solar powered, where they have electricity and they can have clean water. And so it's been my honor and privilege to serve the people of Uganda, and I'm just humbled today. This is our first water well project that's solar powered. Big Love Foundation was started January this year, 2025.
Reverend Raymond Kaija oredini wa dinare ya Midwestern ahawa Lutheran Church of Uganda yashaba gavumenti okubihiraho emishoro aha bintu ebiri kubahebwa abajungu okuyamba abantu.
Kanisa ya Lutheran Church ekiya kusaba gavumenti kirikimu ina bintu bingi bye ku importing Kuruga outside. A lot of things the church is going to continue importing from not only the United States but over the seas, and we are asking for tax exemption because we are not doing businesses.
People who have not come or the people that hear, my advice is be grateful to the God of the universe who gives us the rain that provides the water. You see, he gives the rain and the water to everyone.
Abatuura hati nibagira ngu project eji neija kubajahura.
Wenda nko kuzayiziba orugaho uza kwenda mizi nkanabarogo ikigando mukavure ushange ntambura amizi nabwe gari mabi tunywa amizi nente amizi gari mabi munonga konkate zeshaha ninsima munonga ababasa kutiso buhereza buno bw'amizi amizi nitunywa atamizi marungi usijikira no buyambi obwe kanisa yatwereza kandi n'Abamerika batiraho buyambi munonga aha kurugira ne kanisa yite ya Ruzirani government yitu nayo nitugisima ekarengo kutwara za sharweru na bowahoro.
Amakuru aga gashakone Onesmus Turiyahabwe muri Kakumiro.